Hello and welcome to my first attempt at using AK panel liners. As a panel liner should add instant depth to a model, I'll be interested to see how these pan out. It's good to see that they didn't cheap out and provide glass jars. Although a little while back I made my own DIY version, I wondered how it would stack against a professional product. Warning signs are always a good sign. At first glance the applicator's quite thin, but I haven't shaken the bottle yet, so that might improve. Unless you're extremely careful using this product, I guess you're going to need some white spirits to clean up any mess. The victim for my test will be this gloss varnish coated Challenger 2 tank from Tamiya. And I'm going to say, after mixing the jar thoroughly, that applicator has got a very fine point. As this product is designed to enhance and separate different surfaces on a model, by creating deep shadows and separation between each part, simply touching the tip of the applicator to a crease lets that enamel pin wash flow in it freely, thus helping it stand out instantly. I must stress that the gloss or semi-gloss varnish is essential, as a matte varnish won't end very well at all. Even without a clean-up, you can already see the difference. This product seems to dry very fast, I'll say about half an hour, so I'd advise doing your model in sections before the pin wash bites in too hard and becomes difficult to remove. This product does struggle on shallower creases, and I wouldn't recommend it as a general global wash, as the paint seems to pool every time you lift the brush. This is definitely only a panel liner or a crease enhancer. I found using a piece of kitchen towel to gently brush the surface of the area I've just worked removes most of the excess wash, followed with a paintbrush with odourless thinner on it to clear up all those tiny details works very well. Now, I'm going to admit it's going to take me several hours to try and pin wash this entire tank, but for some reason, watching that little pin wash go all around them creases is like ASMR. It's almost therapeutic and boring in the same way. However, you can see that this pin wash has made a massive difference. Even without the highlighting and the weathering, you can see the impact this product makes. It's actually a product I'm happy I bought. Thanks for watching and have fun.